Hello, everyone. In this screencast, we will be looking at how to set an alarm on your iPad in case there is a specific time that you always need a reminder for, such as centers, small groups, or meeting with your teacher. So to set an alarm on the iPad, you're going to find the clock app, which is usually in the top right-hand corner, unless you've moved things around. But I will tap on clock, and right now there are no alarms. To add an alarm, make sure that you're in the alarm tab at the bottom. There are different tabs, and usually it defaults to world clock if you've never used the clock app before, but I can press on alarm where it highlights in orange there at the bottom. So again, there are no alarms set on this iPad, so I will click on the plus button at the top where I can add an alarm. So let's say every day at 10:15 a.m. I meet with my teacher for small groups. So I can click save there, or I can click on repeat, and I can tell my iPad to remind me every Monday through Friday, or whatever day I meet with my teacher. I can put a check mark there as for all the days that I want the alarm to repeat. And then I can also label it. So if I want to call this, let's see, small groups with Mrs. Scare, can do that. I can click done, and then I'll click save. So at 10:15 every day, my iPad will ring so that it reminds me with that label there that I have small groups. If you want to edit it, make sure that that alarm is highlighted, and you can click edit in the top right-hand corner, and then click on that square where it will take you to those same default or those same settings there where you can change. So if I do want to change the sound, I can have a different ringtone for the different alarms. I'll do that one for, and then I can also add other alarms too. So let's say maybe at 8 o'clock, let's type that in, 800 at 8 o'clock a.m. I'll click save, and then I will click label, maybe this is music. I meet with my music teacher, and then I can repeat every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Click back. I can change the sound. Maybe I want a different ringtone. The chimes are for music, and then I click save. So anytime I want to delete an alarm, I can click edit, and then I can click on the little red minus sign, or the circle, the red circle with the minus sign that appears there in the left-hand corner. So if I want to delete, for example, music, I'll tap that. If it doesn't let me, I'll click out of it, and I'll click the minus sign again, and there it's deleted. So that is how you add alarms to your iPad. Good luck.